For protraction, you're trying to stick your chin out as far as possible. Think of a turtleneck. And then for retraction, you want to get into that military posture. You're trying to bring your chin as close toward your cervical spine as possible. So protraction, bring the chin forward. Retraction, you're tucking the chin in. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Steven here with Team Euphoric, and today I'm joined by Michael from One Body, and today we're going to be teaching you how to be your own therapist by going over the top 5 mobilization exercises for neck pain. And with regard to the mobilizations, we're basically going to be covering all of the ranges of motion that are available in the neck. With regard to the exercises, we don't want to waste your time, so let's get right on to the mobilization exercises. First thing we're going to focus on is flexion and extension of the cervical spine. So for flexion, you're bringing the chin down toward your chest, and then for extension, you want to look up to the sky as high as you can. And you're going to do that for 20 repetitions in each direction. Next, we want to get into side flexion. For side flexion, you're going to bring the same side ear toward the same side shoulder. So you're bringing your right ear toward the right shoulder and the left toward the left shoulder. And ideally, when you're doing this, you want to stay in the coronal plane. You want to try and do it without adding a rotational component. Next, the third mobilization exercise for neck pain is going to be the rotational component. So for rotation, you want to bring your chin and try to bring it over your shoulder on each side. And with regard to this one right over here, you want to try and stay in the transverse plane. So try to do the rotation without a side bend or without going into flexion or extension. Next, the fourth mobilization exercise for neck pain is going to be protraction and retraction. For protraction, you're trying to stick your chin out as far as possible. Think of a turtleneck. And then for retraction, you want to get into that military posture. You're trying to bring your chin as close toward your cervical spine as possible. So protraction, bring the chin forward. Retraction, you're tucking the chin in. And then lastly, the fifth and final mobilization exercise for neck pain is going to be lateral translation. This one right over here is going to be really difficult for a lot of people. What you want to do for lateral translation is you want to try and translate your cervical spine to the side while maintaining a straight and vertical cervical spine. So ideally, your forehead, the center of your nose, the center of your lips and chin should be completely vertical, and you should just be moving, translating from side to side without getting any of a flexion, rotation, or lateral flexion component in the cervical spine. But there you have it. Those are the top 5 mobilization exercises for neck pain. If you have any questions at all with regard to any of these exercises, go ahead, ask your questions down in the comment section. And if you've given them a try, leave your comments down. Let us know. Did you try them? Have they helped? With all of these exercises right over here, we're going to be going over a whole lot more on our seminar on September 18th. So if you do have issues with neck pain, or if you are a clinician who treats patients with neck pain, definitely check out that seminar. And that's pretty much it for today's video. This coming week, we're also going to be going over the top 5 proprioception exercises for neck pain. That's going to be dropping this Friday at 2 p.m. So be out on the lookout for that. But that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button so we know to keep making these types of videos in the future. And if you're either new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, as we will be uploading new videos every single day. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you again tomorrow.